Hi, it's Shelly and welcome to my channel. What are we doing today? We're continuing our adventures in Hoi An, Vietnam with a coffee making class and later a trip to Marble Mountain. So episode 7 of our Vietnam travel vlog, it's what we're doing today. We've been enjoying Vietnamese coffee so much during our stay here. We decided to take a class so we can take these skills home with us to enjoy this amazing coffee while we're back in Canada. Our stations were all set up for us and we started off making Vietnamese black fin coffee. The process is putting the coffee in a fin and letting it filter through into the cup. It's a slow process, but trust me, totally worth the wait. This coffee is extremely strong, like an espresso, so you don't need much. It's the base for most of the specialty coffees served in Vietnam. Next, we're making Café Soir. This is an iced coffee where you froth some coffee, add some thin coffee, and sweeten condensed milk. Then you top it off with a frothed coffee. You mix it all together and enjoy. It's so delicious and refreshing. And we had this coffee a lot while we were in Vietnam. We took a little break here and had a chance to look around the shop. They sell fins, coffee making kits, and various types of coffee. Back at the table, we're making egg coffee. You use egg yolks and some other ingredients and you blend them all together for about 5 minutes. This is added to some black fin coffee and topped with a bit of cocoa. It's more like a dessert than a coffee. They had a bit of fun giving us funny aprons. And this guy at our table was a real sport and we had a lot of laughs. Next up is salted coffee, and it's probably my favorite one. A bit of Himalayan salt mixed with whipped cream, add sweetened condensed milk, black fin coffee, and topped with a bit of cocoa again. Amazing. Next, we're making coconut coffee. You shake up some coconut milk with ice, add some frothed fin coffee, and enjoy. Again, a really amazing, refreshing drink. This was a great class and they provided us with the recipes for all the different coffees that we made, as well as a little fin cup to take home. I highly recommend taking a coffee class if you're ever in Vietnam. Back on the street, it's time to find some lunch. We found this little vegetarian restaurant on a back street and it was really cute. The food was amazing and fresh. Getting our veggies on today after all that coffee. Making our way back to our Airbnb, we stumbled across this ancient house museum that you could tour for free. Absolutely beautiful antiques and architecture. Donations were accepted.
When you wanna be loved by everyone,
next day, we're out and about again. We'd seen this Chico's chicken before, supposed to be Korean chicken, but honestly, it was pretty fast food disappointing. We booked a tour through our hotel for a trip to Marble Mountain outside the city, so we're on our way. Marble Mountain is located on the coastal road between Hoi An and Da Nang. There are approximately 156 steep, uneven stone steps to reach the top, so here we go. But there's an elevator available as well. Marble Mountains is a cluster of 5 limestone and marble peaks representing the elements of metal, water, wood, fire, and earth. Today we're visiting the main peak, Hoi An Water Mountain. Marble Mountains is home to a network of caves, tunnels, towers, and pagodas, and it's absolutely breathtaking. The Tang Chon Cave is spectacular with its shrines and Buddhas and carvings. The light shining through from above is beautiful. The views from up here are amazing as well, overlooking Da Nang. The Tam Tai Pagoda is one of the oldest temples in Da Nang. Marble Mountains was really worth the visit. After leaving Marble Mountain, we were taken to this really cool marble factory. There's a store here as well when we were allowed to wander around and look at the amazing marble statues. They were just incredible, and we really enjoyed this part of the tour. Oops. The last part of our tour is going to be visiting the large Lady Buddha statue outside of Da Nang. and we'll present that part in our next video. We'll also be moving on to Hanoi next time, ending our time in central Vietnam. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.